CanSlim. Developed by investor William O'Neill, this is a techno-fundamental strategy that helps pick quality stocks. Fundamental gives the convention to hold a stock, while technical indicates attractive entry and exit point. CanSlim is a rule-based investment system based on the study of historical multi-bagger price runs in stocks. The system was created by one of the America's most successful stock investor, William O'Neill, after he studied stock market winner and market cycle going back to the 19th century. William O'Neill observed the most multi-bagger shared 7 common characteristics. He then started investing in stocks that have developed their 7 traits and went on to become one of the all-time investing legends. The methodology is based on 100% realistic historical studies of how the stock market has actually worked. So how to pick quality stocks using CanSlim methodology? So CanSlim is a guidelines where each letter stands for an important factor that need to be considered before investing in a stock. So we will discuss one by one. First is C, that is current earnings. Healthy financial performance is most recent quarter demonstrate that a business is able to succeed in the current environment. So here we are taking the example of Asian Paints, where we can see the sales are increasing in the recent quarters. So in the recent quarter is December, 5,294 is the sales, and the net profit is 636. So we can see that in the recent quarters, the profit of the company is increasing. The earning of the company is increasing. So next one is annual earning. A history of healthy sales and earning growth in recent years demonstrate that a business model is sustainable and viable and can generate profit consistently. So here we are taking the example of Asian Paints profit and loss account. So here you can see the data from 2007 to 2018. So the sales are showing an increasing trend, and the net profit of the company is also showing an increasing trend. Next one is N. So N stands for new product, services, management and more. So studies have shown that the greatest stock market winners of the past were all trying something new. Always look for companies with new game-changing product and services. So here we are taking the example of Asian Paints. So real experience delivered digitally. So in digital front, they have created a website called as beautifulhomes.com. So the second thing is homes, color consultancy at home, and they have launched AP stores, AP Homes Color Ideas. So in digitally, they have a 3D and 2D visualizer on beautifulhomes.com and as well asianpaints.com, and they also launched the app called as Asian Paints. Digitally, color consultancy online is there. So AP stores is there, in-store consultation on surface and space decor. And on YouTube, they have their own web series called as Manu the Seeker and Homes Not Showrooms. So next one is S, supply and demand. As more investors demand a limited supply of shares, a stock price goes up. Look for heavy volume accumulation by institutional investors, particularly at key moments like when the stock is breaking above prior resistance level. So here you can see in the recent quarters the share accumulation is going up. So the public is demanding more shares and all. So the demand for that particular share is increasing. So here you can see the 1 year data of the Asian Paint company, which is doing very good. So as the demand of the particular share increases, the share price goes up. Next one is the L, leader and laggards. True leaders are those companies that shows best earning growth, strongest sales, superior price performance, and are leading industry groups. Even bull market has a new leader, and there is no point getting stuck with the stocks that belong to the lagging industry group. Look for the best of the best. Leaders in strong industries that are showing superior earning growth and sales. So here we are again taking the example of Asian Paints, where the market capitalization of the Asian Paints is very high compared to other companies in the same industry. So the recent quarter net profit is also the highest in the industry. Sales in the recent quarter is also highest in the industry. So you can see the ROCE as well as the ROE. So they are also showing a good indication of the company is doing really well. So next one is the institutional sponsorship. So mutual funds, banks and other professional investors are big players who drive the market. For a stock to be a top performer, it must have institutional support to fuel its price moves. Look for stocks that are showing sign of heavy accumulations and consistent increase in the number of funds holding that particular stock. So here you can see the shareholding pattern of Asian Paints, where the general public is holding 11.75, financial institution holding 6.57, banks and mutual funds are holding 3.8% of the companies. Next one is market direction. Studies have shown that 3 out of every 4 stocks follow the current market trend. You should always trade in synchronizes with the market. You should be buying more stocks when the market is in an uptrend and protecting your capital when the market is in the downtrend. So here you can see the two indices, Nifty 50 and BSE Sensex. This is the 1 month data, which is both are showing a positive uptrend in the market. So this rule based system helps to identify stocks with the right fundamental profile to succeed. Once the stock passes this litmus test, one need to look out for a breakout from a sound base pattern. Base pattern are period of sideways movement where the stock has less buying interest. No stock can be in a rally forever. Even multi-baggers have period of consolidation, and we must wait for the stock to break out to new highs before we take any fresh positions. A rule-based system helps us to nail down fundamentally strong growth stocks, and then we wait for the technical buy signal, that is the breakout, to pick up the stock. How can we go with this strategy? To be successful in the stock market, all investors, regardless of whether they are first timers or experienced investing professionals, need to learn sound, historically proven buy rule as well as sell rules. Canceling strategy is tailored for investors looking to beat the market by investing in stocks with high quality fundamentals. The aim of the system is to capture big price runs by buying fundamentally strong stocks that are market leaders. This strategy gives investor a huge advantage by materially improving stock selection and timing. The system requires strict discipline and helps investors develop the right money management skills. So this completes our fundamental. So if you liked our content, please press like button and subscribe to our channel. So if you want to open a Demat account, you can click the link below and open an account with us. So we are authorized partner with Upstock. So once you open an account with us, so you will be added to our private Telegram channel. So where we'll be discussing every week on a quality stocks, and daily we're going to discuss on intraday thing. Once you open the account using the below link, so you will be added to our private Telegram channel. Thank you.